welcome to puzzle day 4. Before we start this puzzle, we're actually going to just have a little reminder of triangular numbers. So most of you will be very, very familiar with square numbers, and you'll be familiar with the fact that square numbers, if you have that many items, you can arrange them into a square format. So for example, 1, 4, 9. They're what we refer to as square numbers, and you'll encounter them a lot in your maths lessons. Triangular numbers, however, you perhaps won't see as much, but it perhaps isn't too much of a surprise, given their name, what triangular numbers look like. So the first triangular number, just like with the square numbers, will be 1. The next triangular number, we need to make a triangle, like that. The next triangular number, we'll make a triangle, like that, and so on. So we can see here I've got 1, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you might have already looked at trying to spot a pattern. So you can see that I add 2, I add 3, I add 4. So one way of making triangular numbers is to keep adding up in this sequence, but you will be pleased to hear that we have got a formula. So the nth triangular number is given by the formula n times n plus 1 divided by 2. For example, let's look at the third triangular number. I would do 3 times 4, which is 12, and then divide it by 2 gives me 6. So you're going to need to remember or to have that to hand for the next puzzle. And here it is. So it's called, which triangular number is this? So let's look at 4a. So it has 3 digits. It's a triangle number or a triangular number. It's palindromic. So remember we said that palindromic means that when you read it backwards and forwards it's the same. And the sum of its digits, so when we add up its digits we get a prime number. So we're looking for a 3-digit triangle number which is palindromic, and the sum of its digits is prime. That might be a little bit of trial and error, you'll have to have a think about that one. And then the second part of the question, it's a 3-digit number which is a triangular number and it's palindromic. This time, however, when I add up its digits I get a perfect square. So remember what we said, a perfect square is another word for a square number. So 2 tricky puzzles to ponder today. Best of luck.